Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your EDIFIER MS50A with your MacBook. You have to start by click the Bluetooth icon at the top, but if you don't have this button, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And after that, firstly we need to connect this speaker to the power, so use the cable that you receive in the package, and at the bottom we have power port, so just connect this cable to this port. And then we need to turn on the speaker, but I think when you connect it to the power it will turn on automatically. So now I press the power button. And after you just turn on it, your this button, the LED light, start blinking blue and white or blue. It's excellent because we need to be in the Bluetooth mode. And if you see the LED light blinking white, you need to tap at the three dots right here at the top, and you will switch from Wi-Fi to the Bluetooth mode. After that, you will see your speaker as a device list, and right here you need to click connect near to it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!